Are you tired from price instability, market gaps, dangerous news events, and big candles? It all happens due to Forex news events. These news events are very dangerous. Mostly it's recommended not to trade during news events. Forex offers a great news EA that spots upcoming Forex news events and shows them on your chart. It stops auto trading 30 minutes before the news and resumes after 30 minutes when the market has stabilized. The Forex News EA helps prevent losses caused by news events. News events can make prices change a lot, leading to issues like high spread, high slippage, market gaps, long candles, high fluctuations, and unpredictable changes. These events are risky and can result in high losses because they make the market go in unexpected directions. Traditional indicators cannot easily spot these market changes. It shows all the latest Forex news events on one chart. Traders can choose how much impact each news event has by selecting high, medium, and low impact news events. The MT4 News Stopout EA disables auto trading on MetaTrader account 30 minutes before high impact news event, but this time is changeable. Let me set it to 213 minutes. See, when there are 213 minutes left, auto trading stops on its own. Also, the Forex News Stopout EA starts auto trading again 30 minutes after a news event, once the market calms down. The Forex News EA predicts upcoming news events, their past price changes, impacts, and currency. This tool helps traders by showing vertical lines on the chart, matching them with candles to spot future news events easily. And prevents trading in high slippage areas, common during news events. The MT4 Expert Advisor displays news events for various currency pairs on a single chart, covering USA, Europe, Australia, Japan, Singapore, and the United Kingdom. Forex News EA includes all type of news events. News EA contains search filter that helps traders to search for any specific news event according to their choice. Traders can even hide any specific news event using this filter. Traders can even adjust table colors and table position on chart. It also offers you flexibility to turn on or off any specific currency. The news events from that currency won't be shown if it has been turned off. Get alerts on your phone, computer, and email for upcoming news events with News EA. You can customize when you receive alerts. Currently set at 35 minutes, the alert will warn you before any risky news events. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trading insights.